Hey everyone, I'm with Stefan Design Studios, and today we will be looking at the Feathered Layers wig from their latest collection. Here's the user guide. Okay, here she is. Oh my goodness. This is in the color Rooted Honey Cookie. Let's try her on. This is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. This is in the color Rooted Honey Cookie, and as you can see, this color was designed specifically for wigs. There's so much richness in the dark brown chestnut roots, and then you can see that warm golden tone just popping through. As the color transitions into soft golden tones, it just has such a beautiful effect on everyone's skin tone. She really invokes the sweetness of honey, bringing so much brightness and fun to your everyday style. And of course, the quality feels incredible. She's so soft and silky to the touch, and she just has this gorgeous movement to her that's easy to style. This pixie cut is giving me so much life. The height at the crown is just so gorgeous and adds so much volume, and I'm totally here for this effortless vibe. This wig is made with a handmade lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when it comes to creating such a natural and seamless looking wig. Let me break it down for you. The lace front is meticulously crafted with individual strands going into a sheer lace material and just creates this seamless hairline. This eliminates all harsh lines and edges and creates the illusion that the hair is growing directly from your scalp. The monofilament part adds just one more layer of realism to your wig. It involves hand knotting each individual strand into a sheer lace material that creates this very beautiful and seamless look where your scalp is just peeping through. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the monofilament part, you get a wig that not only looks like it's growing out of your real scalp, but has so many versatile styling options. As you can see, she's very lightweight and perfect for any occasion. She's fun and versatile, and she just looks very natural. I would definitely recommend the Feathered Layers wig.